vibracije, ki so v akrobatski skupnosti zdajle, so...
Just like last year, absolutely insane success. Best event I've ever seen. Biggest bounce, new world record. Just insane.
It was so cool meeting all of the most talented people that I have looked up to and respected, and it's been amazing.
Evo nas pod gradom, v fan coni, tukaj je noro, dogaja se vse, odbito pač, se veš.
Yeah, I'm really thankful for everything, and I want to thank everyone who is involved into this.
Just freaking amazing, and even like the level up from last year to this year's event was just insane. What do I say? It was the best event ever. It was so epic to see the people fly up and punch the boxing bag.
Idej nam ne zmanjka, prav tako tistih, ki bi jih delili z nami in jih podprli, tako da smo letošnji dogodek nadgradili dobesedno v zraku, pa upam, da bojo takšne ideje lahko realizirane z vašo pomočjo in s pomočjo partnerjev tudi naslednje leto.